Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to today's OP video update for Friday 19th of August. So yesterday I talked about how we are going to have 3 days to actually make a decision, and I think the decision is done, and this is party pooper. It's a crap and we're already done. Okay, big cross. This has ended. Okay, the saucer bottom was this one. You break to the upside, you came for the retest, you were supposed to hold the retest, you didn't hold the retest, and pretty much every project that I'm looking at has failed to hold the retest this time. It rarely happens that you fail the retest, but this unfortunately has failed the retest. Now what is going on, and I'm going to tell you what is about to happen at the moment. So I'm going to take this impulsive move from there to there. I'm going to tell you the next technical target that we're looking for, and probably where you could actually find the bounce. All right, so let's dive into the fib retracement. So now that you're coming down to lose the 0.618, okay, this golden ratio has been lost, so put a tick there. You're putting yourself down on a journey to basically go to this price level, and I'm going to tell you what we're looking for. So from 0.618 we're looking to come down here to 1.618, so that's going to be $1 at the moment, and that's where you might actually have a little bit of a bounce. So I do expect this one being 3 black crows right there to actually continue with another trend to the downside, which is going to be the $1. And if you start to lose this level as well, then oh my goodness, then we're looking for a very big drop to the downside, probably down to these levels as well. And that's to this level, and that, by levels I mean 0.47 level here, down here, 0.4 40 cents or 50 cents is what I'm about to say, because some people say, oh, you do say levels, just tell us the price tag. So the price tag is going to be 50 cents or 40 cents. At the moment, $1 is something I'm looking for. It is the technical target, and that's it for this update. Quick one. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.